In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Sam's Club account in Pakistan. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official Sam's Club website. Once the homepage loads, look for the sign in option, which is usually near the top of the page. Click on it, and then choose Create an Account or Register. This is the section where you'll begin setting up your online account. Next, enter your personal information in the required fields. You'll typically need to provide your first name, last name, email address, and a secure password. When creating your password, make sure it's something strong and unique so your account stays protected. It's also a good idea to use an email address that you can access easily, since you may need it for verification and future account-related updates. After filling in your details, continue to the next step. If Sam's Club asks you to verify your email address, open your inbox and look for the verification message from Sam's Club. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder as well if you don't see it right away. Once you find the email, click the verification link inside it to activate your account. This step helps confirm that your email address is valid and connected to your new account. Once your email is verified, return to the Sam's Club website and sign in using your email address and password. This will take you into your online account, where you can begin accessing account features and settings. If you want to become a Sam's Club member, you can then choose a membership plan and proceed to checkout. However, it's important to keep in mind that online membership purchases generally require an eligible US payment method and billing address. So if you are creating the account from Pakistan, this is something to be aware of before attempting to complete a membership purchase. If you already have a Sam's Club membership, you can register that membership with your online account instead. To do this, enter your membership number along with the requested personal information. This links your existing membership to your online profile and allows you to access membership-related features online. Once everything is set up, you can start managing your account. From there, you'll be able to manage your profile, update your contact information, track eligible orders, and manage your membership. If you link an active membership, you may also be able to access your digital membership card. That's it. Your Sam's Club account is now ready to use.